About a week ago I was out with a friend to some remote islands that is like a maze. This is a bird sanctuary in the summer, but now in the autumn it's okay to go there. In the description below there is a link to the video I did 2020 from the same place. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and if you're not already done so, please subscribe to my channel to see more kayaking videos.